Welcome to Edochié Cosmetic Designs. I'm Patina Edochié, and today for dinner we're going to be cooking chicken spinach Alfredo pasta. Yes, that is what we're going to be cooking today. And so yes, feel free to like and subscribe. And let me show you the ingredients. Come. Okay. I'm going to shortcut it today. Instead of using the raw chicken tenderloins, which you can do this, I'm going to use this pre-cooked grilled chicken breast strip. That's what I'm going to use. I'm still going to warm, cook it, add a little seasoning, make it good. But yeah, I'm going to do that. You don't have to do it. For the spinach, I'm going to use some baby spinach. Pasta, you can do pin pasta or rotini. I'm going to do this veggie rotini pasta today. Trying to be a little healthy, I guess. Alfredo, of course you can do ready-made Alfredo. I got two different kinds I'm mixing together. But also you can make your own, or as backup if you run out of sauce. I got this whipping cream and the Parmesan, shredded Parmesan cheese. Butter, you can do olive oil, but I'm a butter girl. And seasoning, feel free to do whatever seasonings you want, but my roasted garlic herb, black pepper, garlic and onion powder, and some kosher salt. Oh, also minced garlic and parsley flakes. And it's your choice if you want to do bacon bits. I'm not going to do none this time, but you can do bacon bits too. So just letting you know that's an option. So those are the ingredients, and I think I'm gonna do like some garlic knots or something like that with it. But all right, y'all, let's get started. All right, so first things first, we are going to get the water going for the pasta. Add a little olive oil to that, and then got a little kosher salt in there, and we are going to bring it to a boil and then put in the veggie rotini noodles. But in the meantime, while I'm waiting on my water to boil, I'm going to start chopping up my spinach or breaking it up, because I just don't want to put it in there whole. That's just me. Okay, so while the water is coming to a boil, I want to tear these little ends off my spinach and just break it in half. That's just me. Quick and easy meal, y'all. It ain't too difficult to do. Alright, took a quick little break because it sounds like the water boiling. So let's go ahead and put the pasta in there, and then we're gonna let that boil, like say about 7 minutes. Okay. Set the timer just so to make sure what I'm doing is spinach. Alright. Finishing up the spinach. Alright, so we got the stems off the spinach and broken up. Looks like we got a few more minutes before the pasta is ready. So I just break up this too, because you know how they be up in here. They be kind of whole. Okay. So, see, not too bad. Just kind of break it up just a little bit, and then brown it. Well, you know, cook it some more. You know, you don't have to cook it because it's already cooked. I'm just trying to make it quicker, but I like it, my stuff flavorful. Plus, when you make that Alfredo, it's good to use some of the residue from the chicken, especially if you're making it from scratch, to kind of flavor that cream. So, yeah. Minute for the pasta, so that's good timing. I'm sure you got a family size chicken. That sounds good. I think that pasta about to be ready. So that's the chicken. Let's get this pasta. Okay, it's beeping. Check on our pasta. Okay, let's drain that. And then we'll get started on our sauce. Look at Miss Sade, she trying to cook over here. Cute.
I'm trying to cook like you.
I see. Okay, drain this pasta. And then after I drain it, I'm going to put it back in here. Alright. I see now I'm going to have to get a new phone now. Something's going to have to happen because I lost the last end. But regardless, as far as backtracking, we did the sauce. Bubbled it up, did all that, added the spinach and the chicken to the sauce, and then poured it over into the noodles. Plenty of sauce in the noodles. You could eliminate one if you want to. I did the one I made plus the two because last time it was dry. And this time it looks more saucy. Anyway, it's still gonna taste good. So, yes. Yes. Yeah, enjoy. Let me know how it go for you in the comments, alright? Like and subscribe, please.